Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Najwa. So I do beauty content and lifestyle content, so that's what you like to watch. Be sure to click on the subscribe button, ring on the notification bell so that you don't miss my videos, and come join the Loud family. Okay, so today you guys, I'm so excited because this foundation has actually arrived in our shop. So I'm talking about the Catrice Cosmetic True Skin Hydrating Foundation. So if you did not know, this foundation received rave reviews in the US. They were saying that it's so good. On YouTube, people were like saying that, oh, this is really nice. I think on Ulta Beauty's website in the US, the ratings are quite high. It's like all 5-star ratings. So what happened was, I was going to Guardian to actually buy face cream for my mother-in-law. So you know, I just went into Guardian. I didn't plan on to I didn't plan on to browse on the makeup section or whatever, but on the way to the aisle to buy the face cream, I saw the Catrice section, and I saw this on display, and I was like, oh my god, is that the True Skin foundation that everybody was talking about? So I went straight to the section. I looked at the color section that they had, and I did not even saw the price. I just took the color that is like suitable for my skin. I just, like, you know, took the foundation, took the cream, and I paid. And I actually got the concealer as well. So oh my god, I'm so excited to try this. So I've not even opened it yet. So it says that it's a hydrating foundation. It has hyaluronic acid, and then it has watermelon seed oil. I don't know. It's a medium to high coverage with comfortable skin feeling. So you guys know that, I mean, if you did not know yet, I really love Catrice products. I mean, I literally, like, every time I go to Guardian, if I see something new or it's on sale, I will definitely grab it. So this is how the foundation looks like. The packaging is so nice. It's glass, and it's like, it has like a rose gold top, and it's also a pump. So it's really nice. I mean, it's about what? I think it's about, I'm not sure of the price. I'll put the price somewhere in the video. It says that it's hydrating foundation, but according to the videos that I've seen, it's not that much. I mean, that it's not really hydrating in the sense that it's hydrating, but I think if you have dry skin, it might not be as hydrating as it seems. And also, I feel that if you have combination or oily skin, you can still use this foundation as although it's hydrating, it will not make your skin feel oily. But I do not know this. I've yet to try. So I have combination skin, so I'm so excited to try this. And yeah, let's go try the foundation. As usual, I've already primed this side of my face. I leave this side unprimed. So I prime my face with the Catrice Tinted Blur Mousse. So it's similar to the Benefit Professional, whereby it fills out your pores. So I also put on the Catrice Energizing Prime and Care Spray before that. It's like a primer spray some sort. I got the color Cool Almond. Okay, the only thing that bugs me is that when I saw it on display, there was only like 4 colors there. So there was like a really light color, and then like a light to medium color, and then there's a warm. I think there was like a light, warm, and cool, but there was like only 4 color selection there, which is a bummer, because I think online there is much more range of colors, but I don't know why in Guardian they only have 4 of that. Maybe the Guardian I went is the smaller one, so they do not carry all the colors. I'm not too sure about it. If you have tried this foundation, sound off in the comment. Tell me, you know, did you manage to find the foundation in in loads of colors, or did you actually encounter the same situation as me? Because as far as I remember, there was only 4 shades of colors, so which sucks. But I hope I took the right colors. The color I took is Cool Almond. So I'm gonna use a sponge on my prime side, and I'm gonna use a brush on my unprimed side. So I'm just gonna pump it out and show you how the foundation is. So it's quite runny, as you can see. I mean, so I don't know whether the foundation is going to be a foundation that is full coverage. I really hope I got the right shade for this. It looks a bit light for my skin, but this was, I think, the darkest that was there. I'm not too sure. Wow, okay, so as you can see, this is just like a pump. I think half of a pump on my face. It's looking quite good. I mean, you can still see my veins there, but okay, I will put another pump on. I'll put the second layer just to see. I am actually using a Rina Beauty sponge. Okay, wow. I think you don't need a second layer. The first layer was already quite I think one layer of the foundation is actually already quite enough coverage. So if you can see, so this is the side this is the side with the foundation, and this is the side without. So the color is slightly lighter for my skin, but so it looks a bit, so I look a bit like pucat kat situ. So yeah, it's a bit light for my skin. So but as you can see, it doesn't look cakey at all. Okay, and coverage wise it's really good. You can't really actually see, I mean, you can still see a bit of my skin, but wow, I think if I were to get the correct tone for my skin, it will be really good. I think that this color is not so suitable for my skin, but okay, I'm just gonna do my other side with a brush. I'm using a complex sculpture brush. So 1 pump. So I'm gonna, if you can see, I have like a pimple there. So this is just 1 pump. With just 1 pump, it's actually covering the pimple quite nicely. So as you can see, with a brush, I only needed 1 pump, and it covered quite good. It covered my redness here. I mean, wow. I guess with a sponge usually absorbs a lot of foundation. So maybe I felt that the first pump is not enough, but for a brush, I feel that 1 pump is actually covering quite nicely. Wow. I know it looks, as I said, the color is a bit too light for my skin, but in real life actually it looks quite alright. On camera it looks a bit light, but wow, so far I'm liking it. So so you see, it's covering quite nicely. It's not like it does have like a sticky feeling, but yeah, so far I like it. If only I got my exact color, then it'll be perfect. But other than that, I think it looks quite good. I'm just gonna finish up the rest of my makeup and come back. Okay, so I've done my makeup. As you can see, the foundation, like I said, it was a bit too light for my skin, but I managed to, you know, with bronzer and everything, it's now looking quite nice. The foundation did not move when I put on the other things on top of it, and then it doesn't feel cakey. You know, this one was like I did this side with 2 pumps and this side with 1 pump, but it did not, I mean, with 1 pump with a brush, it looked full coverage as how I did it with 2 pumps with a sponge on this side. So I'm really happy about it. I mean, if you can see, it did not settle in my lines. I mean, it will, I guess, in a few hours time. My skin is combination skin, so I'm pretty sure, you know, in a few hours time it will actually become oilier. But right now, after I've done my makeup, it seems to have some sort of hydrating effect, although it is not as hydrating as I thought it would be. And I guess for oily skin, you can still use this, like I said previously. So maybe for drier skin, it will not be as hydrating as you would like it to be, but I still think it has some sort of a hydrating effect on the skin, if you know what I mean. I mean, it makes my skin look healthy. Yeah, it lives up to its name. It is called True Skin for a reason, I guess. So it really does look like your skin, only, you know, only nicer, I guess. See, oh, by the way, how cute is this? You know, it's October and this is a mummy actually, so it's quite fitting for this month, I think. So anyway, so yeah, I'm really liking the foundation actually. I mean, you can still see my veins and everything, but oh, I actually used the concealer as well. Oh my god, I love the concealer as well. I think this is quite good. I think this is comparable to the Tarte Hydro Sealer that I love. I guess it has similar effect because this is also it's also a moisturizing and hydrating concealer. So I guess it has some sort of a similar effect to it. So I'm really loving the coverage. Can you see? So anyway, yeah, this foundation is, so far this foundation is really up my alley. I really love how it turned out on my skin. I mean, it doesn't look it doesn't settle on my smile lines. I mean, it looks really good. Oh my god, I think this might be a really good foundation. So I'm just gonna come back in a few hours time. Okay, so right now it's 1:32, so I'm gonna come back in a few hours time for a check-in, maybe in 4 hours time to do my second check-in, and then at the end of the day to do my last check-in, and just show you throughout the day how the foundation is wearing on my combination skin. And yeah, so far so good. So I'll see you in a bit. Hi everyone, so I'm doing my first check-in for the day. I just went out with my girls. So as you can see, my foundation is still doing good. It still looks like how I put it on earlier in the day. Yeah, so I'm really loving this foundation. I think it's really good. So I'll check in at the end of the day to just let you know what are my final thoughts. Okay, bye. So this is the last check-in for today. It's already almost 10:30, so it's about 5 hours since my second check-in. So as you can see, my cat, so I don't know whether you can see it, but the foundation is actually still on my face. I mean, it has not like, it has faded just a bit, but other than that, I powdered my face just a bit, and that's about it. And other than that, you can see that, wow, it really held up. I think it's about 9 hours already. So I truly feel that this foundation is a really good foundation. I think this foundation is at par, or if not better than the L'Oreal Infallible, because for drugstore foundation, I love the L'Oreal Infallible. So I think this is a close second, or it might top it. So I will keep on using this foundation. I really love the foundation. I think it's hydrating, but it's not too hydrating that it will, you know, make your skin too oily. I have combination skin, so although I actually got oily at my oily areas, but it wasn't that much oil. It wasn't that much oily more than usual, so I just needed to like blot it or just powder it, so it still looks fresh, and I really love the foundation. So it's a yes for me. I will continue to use it. So yeah, so I hope you enjoy my review and wear test of the Catrice True Skin foundation. So I think you can get this foundation in selected Guardians, or maybe most Guardians already, I'm not sure. But yeah, thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.